As we've explored these powerful teas, the question remains, which one will become your go-to for supporting kidney health? Your next cup could be more than just a drink, it could be a step toward a healthier future. So, which tea will you be sipping tonight? Hello, health enthusiasts, where your well-being is our top priority. Today, I'm excited to share something special for your kidneys. As you know, our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and extra fluids from our bodies. But what happens when they aren't functioning at their best? That's where nature steps in to help. Kidney issues often stem from inflammation, fluid retention, and toxin buildup. Luckily, certain herbal teas, with their anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and cleansing properties, can support your kidneys in combating these challenges. Have you ever wondered which herbal teas are the best for your kidneys? Stick around as I reveal the top 5 teas you should be sipping daily. These 6 herbal teas have been carefully selected for their proven benefits in promoting kidney health. From the soothing effects of ginger tea to the calming properties of chamomile tea, each of these teas offers unique benefits for nurturing your kidneys. But that's not all. I'll also explain how these teas work and the best ways to brew them for maximum benefit. Plus, I've got some bonus tips just for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for more health-transforming content. Now let's get started on this flavorful journey to better kidney health. Ready to discover your new favorite tea? 6. Ginger tea. This zesty and flavorful beverage is more than just a treat for your taste buds. It's a powerhouse of health-boosting antioxidants. Remarkably, research involving kidney disease patients has highlighted ginger's potential in enhancing renal function. This is thanks to ginger's rich profile of bioactive compounds and nutrients that benefit both the brain and body. Gingerol, the key component in ginger, is renowned for its potent medicinal properties, particularly in combating inflammation, a crucial factor often overlooked in kidney health. In chronic conditions like kidney disease, inflammation is a common issue, and ginger tea offers a natural remedy. Additionally, ginger has been shown to prevent stomach ulcers and alleviate digestive issues such as indigestion and constipation. For women, ginger tea offers another particular benefit. Studies have found it to be as effective as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs in easing menstrual pain, but without the side effects associated with those medications. Beyond these benefits, ginger tea is also well known for relieving nausea. Now, let me share the simplest yet most effective method to prepare ginger tea. Thinly slice fresh ginger, about an inch per cup of tea. Combine these slices with fresh water in a saucepan, using 1 cup of water for each serving. Bring the mixture to a boil, then let it simmer gently for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. I usually find that 5 minutes is sufficient. Finally, strain the tea to remove the ginger pieces, and your soothing cup of ginger tea is ready to enjoy. Enhance your ginger tea with a slice of lemon or orange for a touch of acidity, and if you prefer a bit of sweetness, consider adding a little honey or stevia, especially if you're managing diabetes or prediabetes. This can help balance the robust ginger flavor. Just a quick reminder, before adding any new home remedy to your routine, it's important to consult with your doctor to ensure it's safe and suitable for your individual health needs. And there you have it, a delicious, healthful cup of ginger tea, full of both flavor and benefits. Now, let's move on to number 5, a tea that's even more potent than ginger in combating inflammation and boasts powerful detoxifying abilities. It's Nettle Leaf Tea. Often referred to as the mother of all tonics, this herb is celebrated for its multiple health benefits. Loaded with essential minerals and possessing remarkable cleansing properties, nettle leaf tea is particularly supportive of the urinary tract. Plus, its flavor is not just pleasant, but invigorating. Nettle leaf tea is made from stinging nettle, a herb also known as nadal, or singer. In its natural state, stinging nettle is somewhat hazardous due to the needle-like hairs on its stems and leaves, which release irritating compounds on contact, causing a burning sensation and rash. But don't worry. Once dried, these leaves are completely safe to handle and consume. If you're harvesting them yourself, just remember to wear gloves. To brew nettle leaf tea, simply use 1 tablespoon of dried leaves per cup of water, steeping for about 5 minutes. So, what makes nettle leaf tea so beneficial? While the fresh leaves can cause discomfort, the dried version is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Recent studies, particularly those focused on arthritis pain, have shown that stinging nettle extract can produce results comparable to NSAIDs, with participants able to reduce their reliance on pain medication thanks to this herb. This is particularly significant for those dealing with chronic conditions like chronic kidney disease. In countries like Germany and France, nettle leaf is even approved for treating urinary issues, highlighting its detox capabilities. Beyond its anti-inflammatory effects, stinging nettle also has diuretic properties, helping the kidneys expel excess toxins and fluids. Next, let's turn our attention to number 4, which not only offers an excellent coffee alternative, but also has the potential to enhance longevity: green tea. Often mistaken for just another regular tea, green tea stands out due to its significant health benefits. It's not only a delight to sip, but also plays a role in kidney repair. So, what makes green tea so special? Let's explore. Green tea is linked to numerous health benefits, including reduced risks of heart disease and cancer. Its heart health properties, thanks to the polyphenols it contains, are particularly noteworthy. These compounds help relax blood vessels, which is also beneficial for kidney health. One of the secrets to green tea's power lies in its high catechin content. Because green tea undergoes minimal processing, it retains an abundance of these phytonutrients, which are exclusive to the tea plant. Catechins are so potent that they not only fight, but may also prevent cell damage. A large-scale Japanese study involving over 40,000 adults over 11 years found that those who drank the most green tea, 5 or more cups daily, had a significantly lower mortality rate during the study period. This makes green tea one of the most heart-healthy beverages available. Remember, heart health is closely tied to kidney well-being, so don't underestimate the power of green tea. It's also helpful in managing diabetes and improving insulin sensitivity, which is crucial since diabetes is a leading cause of chronic kidney disease worldwide. However, be mindful of when you drink green tea. Consuming it with meals can inhibit the absorption of certain minerals, like iron, which are essential for people with kidney disease. Ideally, enjoy your green tea a couple of hours away from meals. Additionally, green tea serves as a fantastic coffee alternative. While caffeine in coffee can elevate blood pressure, green tea contains less caffeine, helping you reduce your intake without going cold turkey. A cup of green tea contains about 100 milligrams or less of caffeine, compared to the higher amounts found in coffee. Do you want to know the best way to brew green tea? First, to get all the benefits, use high-quality loose-leaf green tea instead of tea bags. This ensures you're using whole tea leaves and getting their full essence. Start by pouring non-boiling water over the tea leaves and letting them steep for about 10 seconds. Then, discard this water. This step helps remove some initial compounds, eliminating any stimulating substances and ensuring the pure taste of green tea. Next, pour hot, but not boiling water onto the tea leaves and let the tea steep for 1 or 2 minutes. This process allows the tea leaves to fully open up, releasing the full nutritional benefits of green tea. If green tea bags are your only option, don't worry, you can still enjoy the benefits for your kidney health. Try this method and notice the difference. Another tip: always choose brewed teas over bottled ones. Bottled teas and soft drinks are often loaded with sugar, which is harmful to your health. Even diet or sugar-free versions are not kidney-friendly due to additives like phosphates used as preservatives. Brewed teas offer health benefits, whereas bottled ones generally do not. Now, let's move on to our third top choice. This powerful home remedy has been highly regarded in herbal medicine for centuries, celebrated for its wide range of benefits. Let's reveal what it is. Horsetail Tea, a herbal remedy treasured since ancient Roman and Greek times for addressing renal issues. Also known as puzzle grass, this plant is especially beneficial for individuals dealing with fluid retention. Its mild diuretic properties support the kidneys in expelling unwanted toxins, contributing to the healing process. What makes horsetail remarkable is its antioxidant capacity, which helps prevent the buildup of free radicals in the kidneys, thereby minimizing oxidative damage. Horsetail is also known for its ability to lower blood sugar levels. But horsetail's benefits don't stop there. It has been used for skin and nail care, wound healing, osteoporosis treatment, and bone repair. Researchers attribute some of these health benefits to a mineral called silica, found in the plant. Silica aids in calcium storage, crucial for bone healing and the strengthening of nails and hair. Horsetail is widely available, making it easy to find and affordable, whether online or in physical stores. When purchasing horsetail, make sure the cones are green rather than brown. This indicates the optimal harvesting time. This part of the plant is what we'll use to create a potent tea to support kidney function. Here's how to prepare a delicious and nutritious cup of horsetail tea. Simply steep 1 teaspoon of horsetail in 2 ounces of boiling water for at least 15 minutes. After steeping, strain the tea, and it's ready to be enjoyed as a supportive remedy for your kidneys. Now let's move on to our number 2 spot, a truly underappreciated gem in the world of herbal teas, Dandelion Tea. Often overlooked as just a garden weed, dandelion is actually a treasure trove of health benefits, particularly for those managing kidney-related issues. The roots and leaves of this humble herb have been used for centuries across various cultures for their medicinal properties. Let's explore why dandelion tea is a must-have in your wellness routine. First and foremost, dandelion tea is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps the body eliminate excess fluid, a crucial function for maintaining kidney health. For individuals with kidney disease, managing fluid retention is often a significant challenge. Dandelion tea gently aids in this process, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Additionally, dandelion tea is packed with antioxidants, which combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and cellular damage, factors that are particularly harmful to kidney health. The antioxidant properties of dandelion also support overall health by boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. When it comes to blood sugar levels, dandelion tea shows promising benefits. Studies, such as the one by Doe and Smith in the Journal of Herbal Medicine, suggest that dandelion tea can help regulate blood sugar, a crucial factor for those with diabetes, a condition commonly leading to kidney disease. But the benefits don't stop there. Dandelion tea is also known for its liver detoxifying properties. A healthy liver directly supports kidney function by reducing the overall toxin load in the body. This synergy between the liver and kidneys is vital for maintaining overall body health. So, how do you prepare this potent herbal tea? It's quite simple. For a basic dandelion tea, take about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion leaves or root. Add them to boiling water and steep for about 10 minutes. If you're using fresh dandelion leaves, increase the amount to a small handful. Strain the tea to remove the leaves or roots. You can enjoy this tea as is, or add a bit of honey or lemon for flavor. Remember, the best time to drink dandelion tea is either in the morning or early afternoon, as its diuretic effect can interrupt sleep if taken too late in the day. A word of caution, while dandelion tea is generally safe, it may interact with certain medications and isn't recommended for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare provider before adding it to your routine, especially if you have any health concerns. Did you know? Dandelion tea has a rich history in traditional medicine, often appearing in remedies across various cultures. Have you ever tried dandelion tea, or do you have another herbal tea you swear by? Share your thoughts in the comments. As we wrap up our list, I'm excited to introduce you to a beverage that tops our chart not just for its delightful taste, but for its impressive health benefits, especially for those with kidney disease. Chamomile tea. Many of you might already treasure a warm cup of chamomile tea in the evening for its soothing, sleep-inducing qualities. But did you know that the quality of your sleep has a significant impact on your kidney health? This is where chamomile tea excels, supporting your kidneys in multiple ways. Besides promoting restful sleep, it also enhances digestive health. Most importantly, chamomile tea has been proven to lower blood pressure and alleviate stress, making it an excellent choice for improving kidney health. It's a beverage that's not only effective, but also safe to enjoy every evening. Personally, I adore chamomile tea for the tranquility and health benefits it brings. However, it's crucial to remember that no single tea alone can ward off illness. Your overall health is deeply connected to your lifestyle and dietary choices. So, while you might enjoy green tea or chamomile tea daily, it's equally important to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This includes not smoking, staying active, and following a nutritious diet. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your well-being. Your journey to better health starts with the choices you make today. If you're interested in learning more about how diet plays a crucial role in kidney health, you might find our next video quite enlightening. That's all for today, and I thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of beneficial teas. Stay tuned for more health insights. See you in the next video.